You have an idea, and that idea you have is to solve a problem. And you think about that problem, you work through it, and then you develop a solution to that problem. And then from that solution, you deliver a product. And that product grows and reaches many people. And from that product and that growth, you generate revenue. You generate lots of revenue. And then you take it one step further and you put it on the blockchain. You put it on the blockchain because you want to rewrite tomorrow. You want to be a part of the future, of what's to come. But it all starts with an idea. It all starts with an idea so you can get building on that. And that's what the Tokenize Your Assets course is about. That is what the course is about. Taking your idea and launching it. It's going to be taught by me, Bruce. You guys already in the community know who I am. But for those who don't, 12 years in digital forensics. I'm an entrepreneur, an educator, certified digital asset advisor, and an author. And in this course that will get launched soon, you're going to learn transformational skills to earn money. To earn money. You're going to go from idea to product, from product to customer, as well as marketing, as well as funding, with dedicated live sessions and much more. So what you need to do is in the link in the description below, there's going to be a link. That link will lead you to this page. All you have to do is put your name, put your email to confirm that you're interested in learning transformational skills to make money. Again, transformational skills to make money. And these skills, even if you choose not to apply it to an idea you have, you can apply it to investment opportunities you're seeking. So click the link in the description, put your name, put your email, and get ready to take your idea to the next level. Let's go. It's 9:36. This will be done by 9:39. Oops. Okay, so here we go. Founders. Landshare, founded by this man right up there, top left, Jordan Frisk, who is also the lead blockchain developer and is a former Air Force service member. And he's got a network analyst background. So I thought that was pretty important. Usually people in the military are structured to a certain degree. They understand deadlines. They understand a mission and objective. So his Air Force background, I think, lends credence to this company he's built in terms of the vision and the focus and the commitment element of it. All right, so let's get to the product. So Landshare offers tokenized real estate in two ways. They have the land token, which is the utility and governance token of the platform. It allows users to participate in the Landshare DAO, vote on key decisions, pay for various services on the platform, and it can also be staked to earn rewards. So again, that's the land token. And then you have the RWA token. the LSRWA token, which represents fractional ownership in a pool of real estate assets. And users who hold RWA tokens, which would be investors, they gain co ownership of the properties. And they will also benefit from the property's appreciation and the rental income side of the project, as well as they are doing something with NFTs. So what they're doing is that they're including unique NFTs that represent virtual 3D models of the real world properties that people will be ownerships or owners in. And these NFTs can be managed and upgraded to earn additional rewards. So they're doing a bit of a gamification element to the investing experience, leveraging blockchain. All right, so let's keep it moving. The customer, uh, retail investor, again, they're all targeting the same guys. So it's going to be the same throughout. They're targeting the retail investor looking for accessible, straightforward real estate investment opportunities without the need for large capital. They're obviously the institutional investors who are looking for stable investment options. And then, they call it the crypto enthusiasts, just interested in leveraging blockchain for RWA investments. The tokenomics on this really breaks down into two components. You have the governance and utility side of the land token. So the land token, like I mentioned earlier, facilitates governance through the land share DAO, where holders can vote on key platform decisions. It is also used for staking and accessing various features on the platform. And then you have the RWA token, which again represents a share in the pool of the underlying real estate asset. And again, the token's value there is determined by the total property value and cash reserves divided by the circulating RWA supply. So they're trying to make it closely track the underlying asset value. And that's really what they have here in terms of tokenomics, value growth, and then some sustainable component. So what I would have as far as like an investment thesis, you guys can read this part, but I'll say some key points that really stood out was, they have the empowerment of the DAO, just like the other ones. They're doing the two components there where you can participate not only in the appreciation, but also the income of it. You have that NFT element as well that adds an added layer to the project. And then, the investors, again, benefiting from the rental and the appreciation side. So that's what